Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90651A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.